In this topic, we will learn about decompilation, its importance and various techniques to decompile APK files. First, let's understand what is decompilation and why is it important. Compiling software involves translating it from its high-level programming language into a low-level one that computers can understand, which usually results in the removal of much of the human readable code and makes it harder for humans to comprehend how the program functions. It can help developers and researchers to extract original components which can be modified, analyzed, or used as a reference for other projects. Techniques to decompile APK files. There are two different ways we can decompile APK files. First, can be done manually, and second, using any third-party tool for decompilation analysis such as APK tool and MobSF.